Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we have been asked to a most requested topic for today in our feedback and comment section, and that is it possible for you to use Afterpay on Amazon? All right, is it possible or not possible? Before we dive into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content, okay? So just want to make a short disclaimer that while Amazon might not currently support Afterpay, many other websites do. So in this video, we'll show you some workaround. So we are now here at Amazon, okay? And if you hover to Afterpay, you might want to go here in the help section, all right? And go to shopping with Amazon. So here they have a very helpful step-by-step guide for a quick workaround. So in your Afterpay app, you have to open your app on your mobile device, all right? Tap Amazon in the shop tab. Now, you just wanted to shop on the Amazon's website and add products to your cart. Remember, when you go to Amazon, you might want to go to the Afterpay items, all right? And then after that, at the payment step, select add a payment method, then select add or credit or debit card. Then pay later button at the bottom of your app screen should activate. Do not again set a default payment method, right? This is very important. Okay, you have to remember. And then tap buy now, pay later, and follow the steps to enter the purchase amount, including shipping and taxes, and confirm your payment schedule. Then you will receive the single-use payment details will be auto-filled into the credit or debit card section. Now, all you gotta do is save the payment method and place your order. Your down payment will be authorized and your order will show up in your Afterpay's orders tab. And once again, once your order has been processed, you can remove the save payment method containing the single-use payment details, all right? So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.